Good evening. It's August 20th, 2025. It's about 8:30 p.m. and I'm down here to top off the waters for the animals. It's cool down nice. It's still 73 degrees. Got a nice breeze. Of course, the main one I was worried about was Harold, as he knocked his water over earlier, so got to make sure he's got some water for tonight. Should I be doing this again tomorrow too? He wouldn't be so thirsty if he wouldn't dump his water out. Hasn't been that long since he's been out of water, but that's what he does every day. Edith usually just dumps the water out so she has another mud hole to play in. She's been pretty good today though. The kids bought me headlights for my golf cart for Christmas. We still haven't installed them yet, so hopefully here pretty soon. Before it starts getting dark at 5 o'clock and 4:30, and yeah, winter really is dark around here. And I got some feed I gotta take in tomorrow too. The co-op changed brands they were using, so we're gonna give this a try. Old mill feed is pretty good, but not really impressed with the chicken feed. Well, that's it for me tonight. For me down